Welcome to Mia's World!
It's your birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday.
Hi guys, so today we're making a cupcake. You know why we're making cupcakes? Because it's my birthday. So let me show you the tops. Where's the tops? Here.
So these are the cupcake holders.
These are the cupcake holders, and mommy bought me from Rainbows, right?
Yeah.
They look nice. They look so colorful. I really like colorful. That's my favorite color.
And what else do we have? We need a bowl for mixing the ingredients.
Yep, we have a bowl.
And what's this one?
We have spatula.
Very good. And
We
a
have
measuring cup.
A measuring cup, a measuring spoon, and
Our ingredients. So what's our ingredients?
We're going to put this
Egg,
egg,
flour,
milk, flour, and sugar, and oil, and also sugar
and salt,
and salt,
baking soda,
baking soda,
and hot water.
and hot water. So
Let's start.
let's start. We're going to start our cupcake chocolate. And we are starting. And let me get that to me. 1 cup flour.
Yeah. First, we have to mix all the dry ingredients in one bowl
In 1 bowl.
or mixing bowl.
I'm making
So that's 1 cup flour.
1 cup flour. Oh my god, that's a lot of cauliflower.
Flour, not flour.
There we go.
Next,
Bit hard.
what's this?
This is sugar.
So how many cups of sugar do we need?
I need 1 cup of sugar.
Very good.
Because that's too much sugar for you. So kids, don't eat too much candies or don't eat too much sweets.
Another half.
Another half.
Yep. And then, what are we going to use? Cocoa powder. It says here we need to add 6
Smells
tablespoons
good.
of cocoa powder.
Smells good, actually.
Smells good already?
Yeah. I can smell it already.
Wow, it's nice.
Yeah.
So what we need is 1 tablespoon. So which spoon do we need?
Want to smell it, guys?
So we need 6 tablespoons of this. Can you do it?
Okay.
We need 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. 1. You should count. Tell them how to count. Make it full. It won't be enough if it's not full.
And 4.
Put it there.
Okay.
3. Wait. You should make it full. Then 3.
3.
Wait. Wait. No. 4.
4.
You should make it full.
Okay.
This is the 5th one, right?
Yep.
No, I'll wait for mommy to make it full. So, well, I think it's better if you put more so it's more chocolatey. So that's 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Next one is 1 teaspoon of baking soda. So I will go change the spoon. And we'll use the baking soda. Thank you.
Oh, this is very messy.
So this is a baking soda, and we will use 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Yep.
A half of teaspoon of salt. Where's our salt? Here.
Salt is not healthy too much.
Hold that. So we need half teaspoon of salt.
Sorry, I like salt.
It's only 1/4, so I need to add more.
So kids don't eat too much salt. So don't like too much salt because it's not healthy for you.
Yes, there. And then we're going to mix it using our spatula.
Spatula.
Yes, mix, mix, mix. So we're mixing our dry ingredients.
Try ingredients. Can you smell it already? It smells so good.
Yeah, that's good.
Ooh, smells good already. Looks like a whole jar. So we already mixed this. So we're gonna mix the wet ones. So let's do it now.
We'll set that aside.
We set that aside.
So what's this?
This is oil.
Yeah, and then you will mix with.
So kids, ask your parents or dad for help.
Yeah, so this is half cup of water, a hot water.
A hot water. So kids cannot do it because you need to ask your moms or parents. Yep.
Very good.
It's very hot.
Yeah, we need hot water. And then, what's this? What do you call this?
This
It's
is Mila.
yes, and we're going to
Mila is
put,
my favorite.
how much we're going to put?
Oh,
It's still empty.
I thought you put it in.
1 teaspoon of vanilla
1 teaspoon of Mila.
and a milk, half cup of milk.
Hot milk. And
Not hot milk, half cup of milk.
half cup of milk.
Yes. You can also use buttermilk, but since we don't have buttermilk, you just use the
Ah,
milk.
my
Wow. And the last one, what's this?
This is egg. I really want to crack eggs so much.
Break it more. Maybe use the other bowl. And we have some.
Bobby, here some. It's already come out in here.
Yes.
You can see my cat right there. Ooh,
Or you can put it straight to the dry ingredients.
okay.
Do you know how?
What am I doing?
Careful the shells.
Ooh, it's licking.
Here.
Hey, get
Wow.
out there! Get out there!
Which one is that? The yellow one?
Get
Here's the
out there!
tissue. Wipe your the
Get out
eggshells
there.
there.
Get out there, Eggs! What you doing there? Get out there! I don't know how I'll do it. Let me wipe my hands.
Oh, so it's the yellow that was left there. Okay, after mixing all of that, you're going to mix this one to wet ingredients to the dry one. Come on, let's combine it.
Okay.
Put this one there.
Okay. It's gonna be a lot.
Whoa, that's a nice one. And then we're going to mix it.
Mix like a mix. And ooh, you can see the chocolate. It also smells good. You wanna smell it? Here, smell it.
Smells good. It looks like already yummy.
Yup, I really want to eat it, but I cannot eat it still. It's still not cooked.
Yes. Why are you not allowed to eat it? Because there's a raw egg.
Yep, and it's still not cooked.
Yes. So we're going to mix our...
Yep. Mmm, smells good already. Mmm. So after we split this one, we're going to put that to the cupcake molder, and let's put it to the oven.
But before that, we have to prepare first our cupcake
Yeah.
molder. So what do we have here?
So we have cupcake molder, we have a holder cupcake.
And then put each one to the tray.
Yep, I'm going to do the purple because purple is my favorite color. Happy birthday to you. Okay, now let's put it in here and put it there. So, let's put it.
Prepare. Let's going to put our recipe there.
Yep, let's show you. Why am I holding this? Because we were going to scoop it here. So let's do it. Happy birthday to you. So hi guys, we are going to put it in the oven. So let's put it.
How many degrees are you going to put it?
If you put it too hot, it's going to burn, it's going to smell. So don't put it too much hot, okay?
So we have to heat the oven at 300 degree Fahrenheit
Yes.
or 150 degrees Celsius.
Yep.
So here is our cupcake and it's ready to put in the oven. So come on,
Okay.
let's go.
Open. So hi guys, we are going to put that to the oven. Well, it's very heavy. So kids, ask your moms or dad for help. Ooh, it's very hot. Be careful. Very hot. Happy birthday to you.
So here's our cupcake. Mia already can't wait to make it cold. She's already eating it. And we're going to decorate it.
Yep. Yep. You what we got.
Okay, that's what she got. We're going to have some icing mix and butter. And we're going to mix, we're going to decorate the cupcake.
Yep.
Oh, oh, oh.
Thanks for watching.
La, la.